In this video, we're going to look at how to create and format your spreadsheet layout. This is Dr. Rajab and this is Tech Skills channel. So we start with a blank worksheet. We're going to create a shopping basket and we're going to see how we're going to format that. In the shopping basket, I'm going to start, let's say, at C2. So I'm going to start with product, the product that I want to buy, then product details, quantity that I'm buying, price unit, how much is the price, and the cost for every item. You notice that actually when I wrote product details, the details is not properly shown in this cell because the length of this label is a bit longer than the width of the cell. We're going to see how can we manage that. I'm going to start filling some of my items. So let's say I'm going to start with rice pretty much and start filling my details. So product that I'm going to have product details, so let's say 10 kg, etc. So let's assume that you are starting with the basket. You are filling this particular basket, and I'm going to increase the font with this one. So let's make it a bit longer than this. So I've already populated a set of my shopping basket. So I've created this shopping basket, product details. I have the quantity here. So let's correct that. Price unit and the cost. So now, after you fill all the components that you have, all the details of your spreadsheet, I can format my basket or my spreadsheet, and as you can see, my focus is going to be in this font area. Of course, let's start by how can I make sure that the label appears completely in the cell. I have two options. Either I increase the width of the cell so it appears, or over here I have the quantity, price unit, it's fine. Or mainly if I want to keep the label or the cell width constant across the other columns or keep it like this, then I can actually move to another option that I have, and this is known as wrap text. So if I click on that, automatically it adds a new line to my cell. So I'm going to select the top. This is the top, and usually we call it the column headers. I prefer actually to have a certain background color, make it bold. We can arrange them, let's say center, and pretty much we can actually change the font size if you want to decrease it, or if I want to increase it, or even if you want to change the font label. So in terms of the font family that you are working with. So I'm gonna keep it with Calibri at the moment. Now all of that appearing to be fine within my layouting of the column headers, I can actually, I want this to look like a table. So I have here two options. Okay, I prefer to do the traditional. I can select my whole table or the whole data that I have in my spreadsheet, and this is what we call it range of cells. The range of cells, it starts at C2, starting at C2 and finishes at G12. So this is my range. Then I can move to the font area. In this case, I'm focusing here at the bordering, okay, the type of bordering that I'm going to create. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to choose all borders. I'm going to choose all borders. In this case, now everything is within a particular border of my data. This is one way of formatting the spreadsheet. There are many other ways that we can format the spreadsheet that we are going to explore in our other videos on that channel. This is Tech Skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.